Well, hello, Coffee Time friends. It has been a great day. Let's talk about finishing up this chili that I started. You may be watching this on another day later in the week, but this is still Saturday, and we're still doing our prep work for the whole week. So if you watched the first video this morning, I had some ground chuck in a family pack, and Mama had just froze it all one big thing, so when she got it out, we divided it out. And I made spaghetti sauce, which we're having, well, I guess now we've already had it. Spaghetti and chicken and noodles for Sunday lunch. And then I made a little pot of spaghetti, thank you, Mama, taco meat. And that's going to be for some tacos one night. And I also started a thing of chili. And so I already finished the spaghetti sauce, and it's in the refrigerator, and the taco sauce is already in the refrigerator, ready for a meal. And so I'm going to go over here right now, and we're going to finish up this chili right quick, because I got to thinking, I thought, well, I'll finish it when we do it, but really, only thing I like in it is pinto beans, some kidney beans, because I've already put the tomato sauce, I've already put the seasonings in it. I got to sprinkle just a little bit of Greek seasoning in it, and I might put a little bit of Creole seasoning in it. And so I got the salt and the pepper and everything's there, and then the onions, the meat. Oh, it's so good already. Chili powder's done been added. So really all I have to do is add a couple of cans of beans and let it boil a second. Then the night that we have it, we'll get it back out and heat it up, let it simmer a while, and we're ready to eat. So we've done all this prep today, and Mama's apple pies, here they are. She just finished all those up, just cleaned up the mess. Mama's over here just wrapping it up, and I thought, she said, what are you going to do with this chili? I said, I guess I'll just go ahead and finish it, get it done. That's what I'm going to do. So meet me over here at the stove, and we'll get this wrapped up, and we'll be through for today, and we will have completed spaghetti sauce, taco meat for a night, chili for one night, and Mama made some delicious peach pies and blueberry pies. So it's been a full day, hasn't it, Mama?
Yes.
Maggie's over.
I hope that chili lasts us more than one meal, as much as it turned out to be.
Mama says she hopes that chili lasts more than one meal. It probably will. You know, your chili's so good. Let's go over here and finish it up. Alright, I'm over here at the stove. Now, what I did earlier, if y'all saw the other video, is we just browned our chuck in here with a little bit of coffee, onions. I put in chili powder, and I put in, let's see, what else did I put in here, Mama? I put the onions in here, and I'm going to put just a little bit of this Tony's Creole sauce. Mama don't like it hot, but it does add just a dab of flavor. And I'm not going to tell you how much because I don't know. I'm going to call it approximately a half a teaspoon. And then Greek seasoning. Now there is some, I've heard that this does have MSG in it, I believe. But I've used it so long, when I found out, I thought, well, I'm going to put about a teaspoon of it in here, because it gives it a different flavor and we like it. But MSG is in a lot of things we eat. We know that. So that's the only other two spices I lacked getting it all in here. I have put everything else in here before. And this is 1 can of dark red kidney beans. Putting it in there, juice and all. Juice and all. And Mama had made, slow cooked the other day. Let me get them. Some wonderful homemade pinto beans. And here they are. And if you're in the South, you know all about using leftover pinto beans for your chili. In fact, around here, if we have pinto beans one day, we know it won't be long. We're going to have chili, probably the next day. So I'm going to put equivalent of a good can of them in there. Maybe a few extra. And we still have enough beans for another meal. So, Mama, we're covered for the week. We might have to throw in one tomato sandwich or something. But with all this, we're covered for the week.
That's some one.
Isn't that great? Mama's been busy with cookbooks. Don't know what day this video will show, but probably the time this video shows, she's got them all out, because today's Saturday. She's going to send them all out by Monday. That's ordered. If you ordered this past week, since probably October the 8th, then it'll be on the next order. So if you've ordered before October the 8th, you should be getting yours, probably have it by the time this video airs. If you order it after October the 8th, you're on the next order. But we've got your envelope ready, and we will have the books ready to go as soon as they come in. Now, we don't know what the mail is going to be. We don't know what's shipping. We are in a shipping crisis in the United States, and we have no way of controlling that. But we will try to get them there by Christmas. If not, then they'll be there soon after. Folks, that's it. That's delicious homemade chili. And just got that finished up. So look right there in that pot. See all that thickness and richness? Look at that. Delicious. And that will be supper one night. Or as Mama says, it better be 2 nights, because there's lots of it. What we do with chili a lot of times is we'll have our pinto beans. We eat those with cornbread, as you know. Then we'll make chili out of them. Then after we get chili a night or two, then we might throw a hot dog in there and have this chili over them. Or we might even throw a little sour cream in it and eat it with chips. There's all kinds of things you can do with chili, and we do about all of them. So I'm just going to let this simmer just a minute, and as soon as it simmers and gets the flavors through, I'll turn it off, let it cool, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. I want to have it for some night. And you can also freeze this. So if you don't want to eat all this and think, oh, I can't eat all that in a week, put it in the freezer. Get you some Fridge Smarts, some Freezer Smart from Tupperware. Stick them in there. You can have them 6 months from now and have chili. That's all we got on this one, folks. This one's a short, sweet video, but we did part of the prep on the prep video. So that's that. Y'all have a great week. Find you something good to eat, and make you some memories. This was quick and easy, wasn't it, Mama? Mama? She gone. That's what Mama is. You'd be talking to her, she'll be in another room working. And I think, Mama, where'd you go? You can't hold Mama down. She's always on the go. And always got a mission and always doing something. So that's what Mama is. So I'll just have to say goodbye, Mama, for her, because she done left me. So, folks, this is all for this one. You want to find you something good. I'm going to let this simmer about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to put it up and be ready to go. So, but we will, as we eat these meals that I've already prepped, we'll show you what we add to them and how we do them. And so we'll be singing throughout the week. And thank y'all for bearing with us on the cookbooks. There was a little gap in there, but they're on their way now. Y'all have a great one. Bye.